All right, so now we have a lot of the stuff cut out. We have things timed a little bit better, but now it's time to kind of put this together as one video and then kind of go through it in a little bit more detail. Let's, again, start at the beginning. And again, we're going to kind of just go through it and we're going to think about this and be a little bit more picky, but we're going to kind of keep moving and kind of go through the entire video this way.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Getting Sweet with Sam. Today, we've got a special treat. We're gonna be making banana split sundaes and ice cream cookie sandwiches. Oh man, we have so much ice cream. We got syrup, we got whipped cream, we got sprinkles, we got the cherries. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go.
All right, that's pretty good. I don't feel like that needs anything major. We will put probably some shots over it later, but we're gonna worry about that in a little bit. Okay, so let's move down. Let's go ahead and put these next to it.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is work on our banana split sundae. A lot of fun.
And actually, I think what we're gonna do is put some kind of title or graphic in between this. Okay, so let's do some kind of placeholder. I'm just gonna go up here to our upper left panel and click on text. And I'm just gonna grab any kind of text, just some default text that looks good. And I'll just drag this down here. Okay, that's gonna make some text. And I'm just gonna use this as like a placeholder. So getting sweet with Sam. Okay, so we're just going to
let's go.
Cut to our graphic. Boom, getting sweet with Sam. And then we'll come out of that. So in a little while, we'll figure out what actually goes here. But again, we're gonna keep moving, okay?
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is work on our banana.
Let's cut out that okay.
Okay.
And let's bring this down.
So the first thing we're gonna do is work on our banana split sundae. I'm gonna take my banana. I'm gonna split this sucker right down the middle like that. Just take those halves and just pop each one in half like that. That way, when we've got our bowl here, we're gonna slip those in like that. They're not gonna stay too well, but we'll fix them in a minute.
I don't know if we want to keep that. It's kind of fun. Let's see how it plays into the next part.
We'll fix them in a minute. So now that we've got the banana split up, I'm actually gonna take our bowl here, put the bananas off to the side for.
Yeah, so we should cut that out. So we should have them split. Okay.
That way, pop each one in half like that.
So I think that's where we'll chop that. So I'll hit W to cut off the end of that.
So now that we've got the banana split up,
okay, we'll bring this over and let's again just cut to our other camera so that we don't notice the cut.
In half like that. So now that we've got the banana split up, I'm actually gonna.
Yeah, let's just do that and just bridge this. So I'll hit Control B and then let's take this and reset it.
So now that we've got the banana split up, I'm actually gonna take our bowl here, put the bananas off to the side for a minute. We're gonna put the ice cream in the bowl first, a couple pieces, just so we can stabilize the bananas in there. Woo! There's some color for you.
Okay.
Off to the side for a minute. We're gonna put the ice cream in the bowl first,
get rid of this.
Pieces, just so we can stabilize the bananas in there. Woo! There's some color for you.
Okay, so he's talking about the color of the ice cream. I don't know if we'll keep that. Let's see what happens next. Take this second section and move that down. Okay, let's see how these go together.
Woo! There's some color for you. I'm gonna take my scoop, stabilize the bananas in there. Woo! There's some color for you. I'm gonna take my scoop and
I don't know if we need that, the color thing. I don't know if it's gonna matter that much. Let's see if.
Take my scoop and I've actually.
Let's just go ahead and cut to the scoop thing and we'll roll this down right to where he starts to scoop. And we'll get rid of this first part. Take all of this and just move it down. Okay.
Stabilize the bananas in there. I'm gonna take my scoop, and I've actually placed this in a little jar of warm water. That way when I go to get the ice cream out, oh, look at that, just pops right out. Easy
That works really
peasy.
well.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of scoops into our bowl here. Nice. To get a nice base down. It's all right, we're getting a little mingling there in the pot, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna bring our bananas back over, and I'm just gonna plunk those
Okay, so the only thing is right here, I feel like that's kind of a harsh cut. Feels weird.
over, and I'm just gonna
And I think that's because of the audio. So let's zoom this in, and I'm just gonna roll this audio back a little bit.
go over, and I'm just gonna
Yeah, that works better. It was just cutting off his word a little bit, and so it's easy to notice that there's a cut.
hands back over, and I'm just gonna plunk those right there. Why not? Everybody likes ice cream. There we go. That's looking good.
I'd probably take that everybody likes ice cream out too, because I mean,
Right there. Why not? Everybody likes ice cream.
it's
There
fine.
we go. That's looking good. And now you can do any sort of toppings you want.
Okay, that's good. Again, we're just going to keep moving. We're not getting too crazy. We're just getting like 10% crazier each time with how picky we get. Zoom back in.
Toppings you want. So what I like to do is put a nice layer of whipped cream on first. Now you can do any sort of toppings you want. So what I like to do is put a nice...
Okay, so this is a cut that's kind of difficult because I don't know if we're going to see anything on this other camera. Let's try. We can cut to this. That would be fine.
You want. So what I like to do is put a nice layer of whipped cream.
I think that would be fine. So let's go ahead and just use that to bridge this cut. And we're going to cut to there right there when it gets into focus. That's where we'll cut to it.
Sort of toppings you want. So what I like to do is put a nice layer.
So that bridges it. It's not terribly interesting.
Any sort of toppings you want. So what I like to do is put a nice layer of whipped cream
works,
on
though.
first. Oh, there we go. Boom, look at that. We should add a drizzle of some syrup. We got.
Okay, this is another audio cut that's a little bit rough. So again, we're just going to move this over and take it out a couple frames.
Look at that. We should add.
Sometimes just one frame will help.
Look at that. We should add a drizzle of some.
Might also help to extend this. Do a little bit of a J cut here too.
Boom, look at that. We should add a drizzle of some syrup. We got chocolate and strawberry. So what I'm just gonna do is do a nice little back and forth with the chocolate. We're gonna take our strawberry. Whoop. Get a little bit of that on there. Then we got our sprinkles. And then to top it off, just like that. And boom, you are set. One banana split sundae. Everybody's gonna like that one.
All right. Let's hang on this for a little bit longer.
Everybody's gonna like that one.
Yeah, good. Okay, so this is like the first part of the video. We're about 2 minutes in. Then we have the ice cream cookie. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I don't think we really need it. We're going to cut out him tasting as it's slightly awkward anyway. So we'll move this over. Let's see what's next.
Everybody's gonna like that one. Okay, so now that we've got our banana split sundae done, let's move over to the cookie sandwich. Now what we have are these jumbo chocolate chip cookies. They're gonna be a great base for our sandwiches. And we're just gonna lay a nice big scoop right there in the middle. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a knife to help push that down, spread that out about where I want it to go. Then I'm gonna take another cookie and Smash that guy right down on top. Now you can either serve that as is right there, or you can pop it back into the freezer, which will help solidify both the cookie and the ice cream together. It might make it a little easier to eat.
It's kind of a weird thought to end this on.
Thank you so much for joining me while we make these delicious treats. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you can pop it. You can either serve that as...
I think we'll just take this out. Take this part out. Because it just seems weird.
Right down on top. Thank you so much for joining me while we make these delicious treats. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer?
Okay, so we're going to need something in between here because it's kind of weird to have that cookie and then the cookie's kind of broken up here because we took some other shots of it. And so we'll have to put something else there. I'm not sure exactly what yet, and that's okay. And let's take this down here.
Huh? Don't forget to stay sweet. The ice cream sandwich. Huh?
Okay, I kind of like that.
Don't forget to stay sweet.
Now, that's not the very best ending.
Thank you so much for joining me while we make these delicious treats. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer? The banana split sundae? The ice cream sandwich? Huh?
Maybe we'll cut to his other camera here. I'll just hit V to put that back on.
Banana split sundae? The ice cream sandwich? Huh?
And then cut to this part.
Don't forget to stay sweet.
Oh, it's just slightly weird. And I think maybe we just need to fade this up. So one thing that you can do with your audio is there's this little dot here. And if you grab this little dot where you have the double arrow, you can grab this and drag this to the right. And what that does is that makes a fade. So it'll fade up. Let's see if this helps a little bit.
Don't forget to stay sweet.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move my adjustment layer so that it's sort of the same length. So now we're at about 3 minutes. And this is, again, a very watchable video. There isn't any major problems. It's not going to be embarrassing if somebody sees this. Now it's the point where we can start having a little bit of fun. We can add things that help this just move a little faster, make it more visual, add some music, add some graphics, all the fancy things. That's what we'll do next.